Hayaan mo na. Hayaan mo na ang mga nangyayari noon. Mga bagay na hindi mangyayari ngayon, hayaan mo na. Kung gusto mong maging malaya, huwag mong ikulong ang sarili mo sa nakaraan. Kung gusto mong maliwanagan, huwag ka nang dumikit sa madilim mong kahapon. Kung gusto mong makamove on, itapon mo na lahat ng bigat ng iyong nararamdaman. Kung hindi mo gustong manalo ang taong nananakit sa'yo, the best revenge is let it go, move on, and create your best life. Huwag mong hayaang ninanakawan ka ng kaligayahan sa taong ayaw na sa'yo. Hayaan mo na. Don't allow bad thoughts to live in your mind, stealing the joy from the rest of your day. Someone did you wrong? Let it go. They will ruin more of your life if you allow them to invade your mind like a virus, which will only affect the quality of your life in every other area. The best revenge is always moving on, letting go. Alam mo, hindi ikaw ang nasasaktan. Ang ego mo ang nasasaktan. Ipakita mo sa ego mo na kaya niyang magpaparaya sa mga bagay na nagdudulot ng kalungkutan sa buhay mo. You deserve to be happy. Showing you are strong enough to enjoy your life, to live your life fully, regardless of what happens or who isn't doing the right thing by you. Hayaan mo na siya. Mga plano niyo ba'y hindi natupad? Hindi para sa inyo yun. Move on. Focus on the good. Hindi porket ang iba'y masaya, swerte na sila. It's just that, when things don't work out, they move on quickly and focus on the next positive. Ang taong matapang ay hindi magmamakaawa sa taong gustong lumayo sa kanya. Ang taong matapang ay marunong magbukas ng pintuan para sa kalayaan. Let go of the negatives. He's not the right one for you. You deserve someone better. Huwag mong dalhin ang kahapon sa kinabukasan mo. It's over. Commit to your future and it will be a strong, healthy one. If you don't let go of your past, your future will suffer, remember that. Understand this very important fact. You are the one who suffers most when you hold on to resentments, when you seek revenge. But you are the one who wins when you do let go. Your ego will tell you, once everything is perfect, then I'll be happy. But your soul knows the truth. Be happy, then everything is perfect. Pero wala namang perpekto, di ba? Pero kapag nandun ka na sa tamang lugar, maiintindihan mo na ang lahat ng nangyari sa buhay mo ay may dahilan. And be at peace with that. Maging masaya ka. Gawin mo lahat ng bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi tao ang nagpapasaya sa'yo. They just add value to your life, but they don't have the control of your happiness. Don't expect that everything will be good, but always see good in everything. Sa buhay natin, dalawang bagay lang ang ating pagpipilian. Love or fear. I know what I choose. What about you?